Okay. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is divisibility rule. That is,
Divisibility rule.
yes, divisibility rule. So beta, what is the meaning of divisibility rule? It means we have to choose or we have to select a few numbers that are divisible
Yes,
by the
ma'am.
other number. Okay beta. And here the question is this, what is the meaning of divisible? आपको divisible का meaning भी पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the meaning of divisible? So here simply what we can say, when we are going to divide a number, when we are going
Yes,
to divide a number, if the remainder is zero, if the
yes, ma'am.
remainder is zero, it means the number is divisible by the divisor.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
clear?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
So beta, the simple concept is this. Suppose somebody is going to ask you that what is divisible, what is the meaning of divisible? So simply you can
Yes, ma'am.
say, when we are going to divide a number, when we are going to
Yes, ma'am.
divide a number by any divisor, if the
Yes, ma'am.
remainder is zero, means
Yes,
there
ma'am.
will be no remainder. कोई remainder नहीं होगा. So in that case, the number will be divisible, completely divisible by the divisor.
Yes.
Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
suppose ma'am is going to give you one example here. Suppose you are going to divide 25 by 5. 25
Yes, ma'am.
by 5.
By 5.
हाँ जी. So can you tell me what will be our quotient and what will be our remainder?
Ma'am, our quotient will be 5 and the remainder will be 0.
Exactly, exactly. So it means
It
25.
means the
25
yes,
is divisible by 5.
5.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
because
Yes, ma'am.
25 is dividend and 5 is divisor. What we can say?
Yes, ma'am.
25 is divisible by 5.
5. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
beta, this is the simple way to explain what is the exactly divisibility rule. Okay beta. So we
Okay.
can check
Yes,
the
ma'am.
divisibility rule of different numbers by different numbers, like divisibility rules by 2, divisibility rules by 3, divisibility rules by 5, or it can be 4, it can be 6, it can be 7, it can be 8, 9, 10, or 11. Is it clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So one by one we
Yes,
are
ma'am.
going to continue with the same as per your syllabus. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Okay
ma'am.
beta. Okay. So now you can mute yourself. This time ma'am is going to take one more child. Okay?
Ma'am, I want to ask something.
Yes beta. Yes, you can ask.
Ma'am, I want to say that when I was sharing my holiday homework, I
Okay.
cannot share my PPT of maths.
In that case, you can send the pics also. Okay. In that
Okay.
case, you can only send the pics of each and every slide. Okay.
Okay. मैम नाउ अब मैं कैसे करूँ मैम अब मैं कैसे शेयर कर सकता हूँ
Beta, you can confirm it from your class teacher. Okay beta.
Okay.
You should
Okay.
confirm from your class teacher.
Okay ma'am.
Okay. Any other query beta?
No ma'am.
Okay. So you can mute now. So this time ma'am is going to take one more child. Okay. So here the next one is, yes, Ananya Singh Tomar. Ananya, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Yes, Ananya. Ready?
Yes ma'am.
So beta, here the first divisibility rule is 2. देखो, again ma'am is going to repeat the same. Again ma'am is going to repeat the same divisible. What is the meaning of divisible? When we are going to divide any number, if your remainder is 0, means the condition is your remainder will be 0. Okay, in that case the number will be divisible by the given divisor. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Okay beta.
Yes,
So now we are just going to move to the first divisibility rule. So here the first divisibility rule is divisibility by 2. Okay, we are just going to check the divisibility by 2, means the particular number is divisible by 2 or not. This is called divisibility rule. Okay bache?
Okay ma'am.
Okay Ananya?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So beta, how we are going to check it? If the last digit is even, okay, to check the divisibility by 2, we have to check that if the last digit is even of a number, if the last digit is even means if the last digit will be 0, it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 6 or 8. Okay, in that case, the number, the complete number will be divisible by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So beta, let's have one example. For example, 14 is given here. The first example, 14 is given here. So can you tell me what is the last digit in 14? Last
Ma'am,
digit in 14. Yes.
Four.
Rudra, sit properly. Rudra, cross your legs. Cross your legs and sit properly. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, the last digit is 4.
Yes, very good. The last digit is 4. And 4 is an even number or odd number?
Ma'am, even number.
Even number. Very good. 4 is an even number. So that's why we can say the complete number, that is 14. 4 is even. So that's why we can conclude that the 14 is an even. पूरा 14 ही even हो जाएगा. And ठीक है ना, 14 is divisible by 2 also. Now it is clear?
Ma'am, yes. The 14 is divisible by 2.
Yes, very good. I hope it is clear. अब तो समझ आ गया ना? Very good, very good. Okay. So beta, suppose we are having second example also. Suppose we are having a number 22. 22 number is also here. Second number. So can you tell me the last digit here?
Ma'am,
Ananya,
2.
speak loudly. Speak loudly, beta.
Ma'am, 2.
Very good. The last digit is 2. Okay. So thus we can conclude 2 is an even number. So complete number, that is 22. 22 is divisible by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
This is the first rule of divisibility, means divisibility by 2. Okay. So in the first example, the last digit is 4, that is even. Second example, the last digit is 2, that is also even. In the third number, that is 50. 50, the last digit is 0. Last digit is?
So, ma'am, it is even.
It is also even. Okay. And in the fourth one, 136, the last digit is 6. Last digit is 6. And in the last number, 768, the last digit is? Last digit is 8. 8 is also an even number. Okay. 8 is also an even number. So it means, beta, it is clear that all these numbers are completely divisible by 2 because they all are having last digit as even. And suppose, Ananya, ma'am is going to give one more example. That is, suppose 27. Ma'am is going to give you 27 number. So can you tell me 27
Yes, ma'am.
will be divisible by 2 or not?
No, ma'am.
Because?
Because the 7 is not an even number. It is an odd number.
Exactly, because 7 is the last digit. 7 is the last digit and 7 is not an even number. It is an odd number. So that's why we can say 27 is
27
not,
is not divisible by 2.
Exactly. Very good. So beta, now you can mute. Now you can mute, Ananya. This time again, ma'am is going to take one more child. So here, Jasleen, unmute yourself and don't move your camera, beta. Jasleen, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Jasleen, ma'am is going to move to the next divisibility rule. So here the next divisibility rule is divisibility by 3. Okay?
3.
We have just checked the divisibility by 2. Now we are moving to the divisibility by 3. Okay, can you read the first line? Can you read the first line? Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
If the sum of its digits is divisible by 3.
Yes. So it means you have to check. You have to check only the sum of the digits. Means suppose one number will be given to you. One number will be given to you and you have to check the sum of the digits of that particular number. If the sum is divisible by 3, then the total number will be divisible by 3. Is it clear? If the sum is divisible by 3, so it means we can conclude the total number will be divisible by 3. Clear?
Yes.
Let's have an example also. Suppose we are having 48 here. We are having 48. Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes.
So, ma'am, we divide, we add 4 to
8. So
Exactly.
the answer will be 12.
That is given on your screen. Okay. Can you tell me why we have add 4 and 8 here? Why we have add 4 and 8? Yes.
No, ma'am.
Beta, because it is already given that you have to sum of its digits. 4 and 8 is a number. Can you tell me the digits of this particular number 48? Digits क्या है यहाँ पर? हाँ
Ma'am,
जी.
4 and 8.
4 and 8. So that's why we have to add. आपको digits ही तो add करने हैं. ठीक है ना?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we are going to add these two digits and the answer, or we can say the sum. Sum will be equals to 12. Now you have to judge. 12 is divisible by 3 or not?
Yes, ma'am.
12 is divisible because 3 4 ja 12. ठीक है ना? So
12.
it means we can conclude if 12 is divisible by 3 means जो sum आपका निकल के आया sum is divisible by 3, so it means we can say 48 will be divisible by 3. Clear?
Okay.
48
Okay, ma'am.
will be divisible by 3. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am. It is clear.
Similarly, we are going to take one more example. That is 63. Clear, visible?
Yes, ma'am. It is
Okay, beta.
visible.
Okay, beta. So now can you tell me 63? What are two different digits here? What are the
Ma'am,
different digits?
6 and 3.
Yes, so we are going to add 6 and 3. Aditya Malhotra, you are not visible to ma'am. Shreyans Tripathi and Aditya Malhotra are not visible. Rotate your camera so that you must be visible, both of you. Yes, Jasleen. So 63
Yes,
is here. 63 is
Yes,
here.
ma'am.
And
Yes.
beta, we are going to add. We are going to
And
add the digits. Yes,
6 and 3.
6 and 3. So what will be the sum? What will be the
9.
sum? 9. So
And
can
the
you tell me
sum is-
9 is divisible by 3 or not?
Ma'am, it is divisible by
It
3.
is divisible. Yes, 9 is divisible because 3 3s are 9. Okay, 9 is divisible by 3. So we can conclude if 9 is divisible, so we can directly tell that 63 will be also divisible by 3. ठीक है, क्योंकि 12 divisible है, that's why 48 will be divisible. 9 divisible है, that's why 63 will be divisible. I hope the concept is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So now again, ma'am is going to take one more child, and
Ma'am, can I
here,
mute myself?
yes, beta, you can mute. You can mute.
Okay, ma'am.
So here, Arav Harinder. Arav Harinder, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
God bless you, beta. But this is good afternoon. Okay, this is good afternoon. Okay, no problem. पढ़ते पढ़ते भूल जाते हैं बच्चे, कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so doesn't matter. So now we are going to continue with the next slide. And our next divisibility rule is, can you read, beta?
Yes, ma'am. If the
Yes.
number formed by its last two digits, it's divisible by 4.
4. Very good. So what is given here? Divisibility by 4. You have to check. You have to check the divisibility by 4. ठीक है, अब आपको 4 से divisibility check करनी है. That the number is divisible by 4 or not. Okay. So what we are going to do here? We are just going to take the last two digits of a number. Okay, Arav,
Okay, ma'am.
speak loudly. Arav, speak loudly.
Okay.
Yes. So suppose when we are
Okay,
going to take the last two digit numbers, okay, last two digits of a number, if the last two digits number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4, then the complete number will be divisible by 4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
देखो तो यहाँ पर क्या किया हुआ है बेटा? Suppose your number, for example, your first number is 136. This is complete number 136. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And now can you tell me the number formed by the last two digits? सबसे पहले तो मुझे बताइए last two digits क्या है यहाँ पर?
I'm 36.
Ma'am is asking about digits, not the number. You should understand the difference between these two. Digits और number. क्या पूछा मैम ने आपसे? Yes.
And digits.
Digits.
And
So
number.
digits. So digits are yes.
Ma'am,
Digits are
Ma'am,
3
digits-
and 6. Digits are 3 and 6. And the number formed by these digits? नंबर क्या बना?
Ma'am, 36.
36. So 36 is divisible by 4 or not?
Ma'am, no.
No. करके देखना जरा.
No, ma'am.
हाँ जी. Suppose we are going to divide 36 by 4. Remainder will be 0 or something else? Yes. Beta, you can directly recheck. Means 4 9 is 36. 4 9 is 36. It means your remainder will be 0. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
If your remainder will be 0, so you can directly say that the 36 will be divisible by 4. Okay? 36 will be divisible by 4. Is it clear? You should understand this thing.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to. Suppose you are not clear about it, so you can do the division at that time. 36 you are going to divide by 4. Clear?
4.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
And suppose 36 is divisible.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose 36 is divisible. So you can directly say that 136 will be definitely divisible by 4 if 36 is divisible. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And similarly, let's have one more example. And the second example over here is 620. 620.
20.
And can you tell me the last two digits here? Digits.
And 2 and 0.
Exactly, 2 and 0. And the number formed by these digits? Jasleen, switch on your camera. Yes, Arnav. Number formed by these two digits. 2 और 0 से क्या number बना है?
And 20. Ma'am, 20.
20. Very good. 20 is the number. Okay. So here,
Yes, ma'am.
20 is divisible by 4 or not?
No, ma'am.
20 is not divisible by 4. Ma'am is asking,
One minute,
beta.
ma'am.
Yes, Arav. It means beta आपको 20 को 4 से divide करके देखिए and then you are going to give me the answer. Quickly divide 20 by 4 and tell me the answer. Yes, and who can give me? Yes, Anya. Anya Chauhan can give me the answer. Yes, Anya. And Arnav, Arav Harinder, beta, you are going to listen it very carefully. Yes, Anya.
Ma'am, 4 5 is 20.
Exactly, beta. 4 5 is 20. So we can conclude that 20 is divisible by 4. Okay, when you are
Yes,
going to
ma'am.
divide, when you are going to divide 20 by 4, your remainder will be definitely 0. Arav, is
Yes,
it clear?
ma'am.
Arav, it is clear? Arav, clear हो रहा है? Okay, beta. Okay. So now we can conclude that 20, if 20 is divisible by 4, so we can directly conclude that 620 will be definitely divisible by 4. 620 भी पूरा divisible होगा, ठीक है, by 4. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. So actually these divisibility rules are very important. Okay, you all are going to revise. You all are going to revise these divisibility rules. सारे divisibility rules आपको learn होने चाहिए बेटा. Ma'am is going to ask all the rules from each and every student. और जब तक सबको clear नहीं होंगे, we are not going to continue. We are not going to continue with the same. Okay, beta. So now till the 3 rules, divisibility by 2, divisibility by 3, divisibility by 4, ma'am is going to ask the queries from you students and then we will move forward. Okay, beta. So now it is your turn. It is your